Listen up, size doesn't always matter, which is why you have to check out the new Zenphone 10 from Asus. So this is the new flagship phone by Asus, and as you can see, it actually can fit comfortably into my little pixie hands, because I've got quite small hands. So if we're talking specifics, it's 5.9-inch display, AMOLED display, which is actually made by Samsung, and apparently it is Gorilla Glass. If you compare the size difference between the S23 Ultra and the Zenphone 10, it's tiny compared to it, and it makes a difference with the weight as well. So I had it in my pocket earlier and I was like, oh, where's my phone? It was in my pocket because it's so light I just didn't feel it. And inside this little pocket rocket, you've got the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip, which makes gaming good if you're any good at gaming. It comes with a little case. Really cool little case for it. It comes with multiple colours. This is a nice black one with the matte finish, which I really like. It's green, purples, reds, whatever they are. And also has wireless charging. Also comes with a headphone jack, which I think is a good thing. I'd say this is probably out there to compete with the Pixel 7 or maybe the OnePlus 11. And it's about 700 quid, I think, 650, something like that. And I think it's an absolute solid flagship phone. So if you're looking for a device that's pretty small, nothing that's too big in your hands, yeah, check out the Zenphone 10 from Asus. I like it.